Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Trezor Model One. First, connect your device to your computer using the provided USB cable. Next, you will need to install the Trezor Bridge software, which allows your computer to communicate with the device. Finally, open your web browser and go to the official Trezor website to start the guided setup process. This ensures you are using the correct and secure portal. Once connected, your Trezor will prompt you to confirm its authenticity and install the latest firmware. Always ensure you are installing official firmware for security. After the firmware update, you will be given the option to create a new wallet. Select this to generate a fresh, secure wallet. The most crucial step is to carefully write down your unique 24-word recovery seed. This seed is your only backup for accessing your funds. After writing down your recovery seed, the Trezor will ask you to verify it by re-entering a few specific words. This step confirms you have accurately recorded the seed. It is absolutely vital to store your recovery seed in a safe, private, and secure location, away from prying eyes and potential damage. Remember, your recovery seed is the master key to your funds. Never share it with anyone, under any circumstances, to maintain your security. The final step involves setting a strong PIN for daily access to your Trezor Model One. This PIN adds an extra layer of security, protecting your funds if your device falls into the wrong hands. You can also label your device, which is helpful if you manage multiple hardware wallets. With your PIN set, your Trezor Model One is now fully configured and ready to securely manage your cryptocurrencies. Remember to check the description for a link to these fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.